Another Easter egg?
Oh!
Oh! Did the Easter Bunny give that to you?
Ooh!
Ooh! What a nice Easter Bunny.
Mommy, up.
Okay, go put the egg back in your basket. Now pick up your basket and let's go find some more Easter eggs. Let's go this way. I bet you he left some over here for you. There's one. Can Kyle open it?
Can you take Mommy up on it? Ooh!
Ooh! Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Bit.
Can you say thank you, Easter Bunny? Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Bunny.
Good job, honey.